Okay. So, just like we did yesterday, just like we did with all of Unit 2, we are going to use inverse operations to get the variable by itself, just like we did when we solved an equation. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, he's in here.
We're not Thursdays.
In class. Like he's still a college student.
Why does Miss Huggins come in here?
So if Miss Huggins is not busy with where she's supposed to be, then she comes in here to help us. Okay. Reagan, what is the inverse operation of division? Ruby, what's the inverse operation of multiplication? Okay, Ruby is the, once again, the girl says, I said Ruby. Okay, so multiplication and division are inverse operations of each other. So today, well, in the next 10 minutes, multiplication. So this is Peyton Manning. He played for the Colts, but he's retired now. No, he does the Manning cast. Him and Eli Manning do the alternate broadcast for Monday Night Football.
Your number in the back is all messed up.
Well, it's old.
Can I see the back? Eli Manning or Peyton Manning?
This, they're brothers.
I know.
So this is Peyton. This is Peyton. Who's better? Peyton. All right. Now. No, he's in his 40s. If the number is the solution. Thank you. If the number is not a solution, you are not going to forget that. We've written it down 3 or 4 times now. Monday, yesterday, today.
Thank you. That's good. You know.
2.
Why did you say it like that? Thank you.
3. Okay, so let's look at this first example. I am going to draw my fence. Okay, Wes, how is 5 tied to W? Okay, since 5 is being multiplied to W, we need to undo our multiplication by dividing both sides by 5. When we divide both sides by 5, we get W is greater than 4. Please circle that entire inequality. That is your answer. Okay. Lainey, open or close circle at 4. Open. Okay. Cash, right or left?
You would go right. There you go.
What is going on?
Worry about it.
Wait, so hold on. What do we just do?
So SOGC of this matches this arrow. Okay. All right, let's look at example number 2. In example number 2, Austin, how is 16 tied to A? Look at the board. How is 16 tied to A? multiplication. So we need to undo multiplication. And to undo multiplication, we need to divide by that number.
One.
So negative 32 divided by 16 is negative 2. Okay, can we call it rewrite? We need to rewrite it. Okay. We need to rewrite to where a and negative 2 swap. Means our sign is going to change. Give me the marker. Give me the marker. Give me the marker. It's in there. So I need you to circle that answer.
You got it,
What? Okay, so Tony, the variable needs to be on the left side. So since A was on the right side, I swapped these, which means this has to swap also. So we have negative 2 with a closed circle, Tony. What way are we gonna go, right or left? Let Tony answer. Thank you.
Good job, Tony. Oh, that's what I said, he's a freshman. Are you in high school?
Yeah.
Wait, you're a freshman, why are you in this one?
I forgot.
Just leave him alone. All right, let's go to the third example. Kanaya, what is in between the X and the 2? Division. We need to undo division. Okay. Caesar, how do we undo division? We need to multiply both sides by that 2. So they undo each other. So we have X is less than 4. Circle your answer. So when I'm grading your worksheet, I can find it. Emma. Okay, Emma, open or close circle. Kaylee, right or left? Tony, are you okay with it going left? Peyton, I need you this way. All right, last example on page 10. Allie, what do we need to do to both sides? Okay, we need to undo the division by multiplying both sides by 3. So we get negative 3 is greater than Z. We're multiplying, sweetheart. Okay. Now, is this how I want your answer to look? No. Variable on the left, people. So swap places of Z and negative 3, which means your inequality sign is also going to switch, whatever. So we have an open circle at negative 3, and everybody, we're gonna go to the, try that again, we're gonna go to the left. Z is less than, we wanna be smaller. Our number line, we go to the left to get smaller. Okay, I'm gonna give you a couple minutes. I want you to please complete page 11.
Oh my God, this one's so hard.
No. After we go over these 4, we're gonna do our homework. How about we wait until after this?
But then you're gonna have to go on about all this. Like, talk about it.
So when we are working on our graded assignment, you can fill up your water bottle. 5 minutes, you can wait 5 minutes.
Miss Mace. You just come.
I didn't even say anything for real.
Okay, I need you to work on this right here. Okay,
He says something. He said something.
I'm trying to stir up trouble.
No, no, he said something. He said
Okay,
something.
so we can talk about it. Hold on, bud. No, it's just the number sign. What? Oh, yeah, that's good. So now you need to correct it. Okay.
Of course you don't. You're never.
Don't be throwing those words around fast. Don't be throwing those words around. Oh.
Hey, and do you have these 4 dots?
I was really talking to you. Can you mind your business? Oh, wait, no, you can't.
What? Yes.
I'm not.
Okay, hold on.
Move.
Austin.
What do you think?
It's fine. It's
Okay, it sounds like a lot of us have gotten far enough. Okay, on number 1, I want you to follow along with me. Did you multiply both sides by 3?
Yeah.
So you have b is less than negative 12.
Yeah.
At negative 12, do you have an open circle?
Yeah.
And an arrow that's going to the left? Okay. Do you have a question about anything on that problem?
No.
In number 2, did you divide both sides by 5? Awesome. So you get a over here and negative 2 over here. Did you rewrite to where a and negative 2 swap places? So a is greater than or equal to negative 2. So you have negative 2 with a closed circle, and our arrow is going to the right. Does that look like what you have?
Yeah.
If it's not, you need to fix it. If you don't rewrite with the variable on the left, I worry about you not getting the correct graph. Can you stop doing that, please?
Yep.
And number 3, did you multiply both sides by 2?
Yeah.
And so you get negative 6 is less than x. But once again, This is not what I want. I want you to tell me X is greater than -6. That's the answer that I need. And so at -6, you have an open circle and our arrow is actually going to the right. If you do not rewrite with the X on the left, it will cause problems. Okay. Did you, on number 4, divide both sides by 100? So that you get M is less than or equal to 4. So we have a closed circle at 4. We're going to the left. Not talking about anybody. Okay. Some of you are going to be able to get this